Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday, hump day. We made it halfway through the week. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer, and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh boy. Oh, hey, coming from my good friends over at GEARGO. Check them out. They got really cool stuff. Projectors, humidifiers, and now an air purifier. It's a filter PM 2.5. Eliminate. I can't even read that far. There we go. Oh, like smoke smell and other stuff. Secondhand smoke. Nice. How tiny that is. So here's all the good stuff. We got the white version. Got the BNJ009A. 5 watts full power. Good stuff right here. Got a plant in there? Had to get into the bottom of that. Don't got any plants. What do we got in this box? We got the filters. Oh yes. Power cord. Yeah, it's only one video today, so hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, share the video in case you guys want to get one for your family members, for holidays, birthday gift, nice little housewarming gift. Good for condos, offices. Oh yes. Simple plug-in. Come on. Let's get this out. So definitely check them out. They got really cool stuff at a low cost. And they also got some great deals going on now. So there we go. We got the Purifier. Or, yeah, Purifier. Oh, put the guy up front here. There he is. GEARGO. We got the juice. Let's take a look at this front. Oh, nice display. Don't worry, that's not damaged. That's the plastic coating that you could remove if you want. But I don't think it's going to affect the use of it. Oh, there we go. Boom. Look at that. Micro ecological purifier. Something different. Alright. Slam dunk. We got the filter. Should be easy. Snap. Crackle powers this. So I guess you put plant or something maybe for decoration. But I don't think we really need to. Oops. So how do we take this out just in case? Oh, down at the bottom. Aha, see? So you got a replacement filter and the filter. So that's cool. So this should last you maybe a year. Don't quote me on that, but let's see, let's cut it open. There we go. Almost. No moss. There we go. That's a nice filter. Now, which way does it go in? Go in my manual. Whoa. Okay, let me double check something. For some reason, there's a plant. It's plant purification also. Oh. So if you got small plants in your house or your condo, in your office, you could just like make it go. You got photocatalysis, cold catalysis, negative ion generator, UV lamp. Whoa. Alright, high efficiency filter. It's a nice. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We got a flower stand, negative ion generator, touch panel, PCB, fan, filter, bottom cover, base, the base. Procedures to remove and change the filter, bottom slip. Okay, I knew that. We just did that part. I think it goes like this. Yeah, there we go. Then once you want to remove it, you just pull the tabs, kind of like that bar game with tab pulls. Or get this going. Boom. We got the juice, so we got an extra filter. Put that aside. Now the juice. Bees in the juice, buddy. Good old Polly. So what else do we got? We got Turkey Day coming up. Definitely ready for that. Get some stuffing. Get some turkeys. Get some pumpkin pies. Yeah, here we go. Alright, one more twist. There we go. Uh-oh. I got it twangled, twangled. Then we got Santa Claus coming, so you might want to add this on your Amazon wish list. Santa will be checking it this year. Let's plug it in. Whoa. Alright. Drop you guys down. There it goes. I feel it. GEARGO. That's really cool. Bada boom. And then, if you got your plant, put the plant on top in the middle. I don't have a plant, so you don't really, I don't think you could use, maybe you could use both. But I think you could just use one or the other. But like I said, if you have a plant, then you want to put it down like that. Line it up with the grooves. There we go. Cheerios. Awesome stuff right there. But like I said, I don't have no plans to show you guys that part. But interesting. Really cool though. I can feel it. Okay, so you hit it again. Okay, there's low, medium, high. Oh, come on. There we go. It's really cool. It's really chilled. It's not even that loud. So you can have it leaving running overnight. Clear up your room. I've been using the humidifier last few nights, and that thing has been really good from GEARGO. So I'm sure this is just as good, not even better. Air Purifier. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. You guys have a good day. Be safe, and see you guys tomorrow. See ya.